Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Do you like some throw pillows on your couch? These by Maison de Gracon are so nice. They are 100% Goose Down feathers, so they are really a nice quality. They are super plump. So you can see here, the one on the left is this pillow, and the one on the right is an older down pillow that I had. And this one is so much more plump, adds a lot more fluff. It even lets the pillow stand up all by itself without falling over. So I'm really impressed with how much poof these things have. I had 18 by 18 covers, and these fit very nicely in them. The material on the outside is really a high quality. It is so soft and so smooth. I have no doubt that it will keep all the down feathers in there, and they are super comfortable to lay on. It adds so much warmth to a living room to have pillows, and I love that I have some nice fluffy ones to go in our pillows and make our couch look extra homey. When they came, they also had no odor at all. I didn't smell anything. Look at all that fluff.
And that's my point of view.